G'day guys, Shane here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make something that originated in Southern California back in about the 40s to 50s. Today I'm going to make this patty melt with an Australian twist. For these patty melts we're going to need some rye bread, some mince, I'm using 17% fat, Swiss cheese, a brown onion, pepper, salt, butter, oil, Thousand Island dressing, Worcestershire sauce. And also there's a little Aussie twist that I'm going to put on this. I'll share that with you later. We're just going to slice this onion into slices. Okay, I might like onion rings out of it, just like that. On a medium to low heat, we're just going to add some oil into a frying pan. Also going to add some butter, just a bit of butter. The oil in the pan is going to stop the butter burning. Now I'm just going to add the onion into the pan and then let this caramelise. Do it for about 10 minutes. Slowly do it so it doesn't burn. You want to bring the sweetness out to this onion. Okay, while we're waiting for this to caramelise, let's go work on the meat patty. Okay, into the bowl we're just going to add 500 grams of mince. It's about a pound. Cracking some sea salt. Some black pepper. Here's an Australian twist. A teaspoon of Vegemite. Now if you don't have Vegemite, the alternative is some Worcestershire sauce. Like a couple of tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce in. Now using your hands, and mix all that through. These onions are looking good, smelling good too. So I'm just going to grab a handful of mincemeat, form patties. I can put it in a bowl first. I'm going to flatten these out. The size of the patty is going to depend on the size of the bread you put it on. If you're using big slices of bread, you make bigger patties. Small slices of bread, smaller patties. Remember, they will shrink down when they go into the frying pan, so. Yep, they look beautiful. So I'm going to put these aside and we'll start cooking the meat patty. I just want to take this quick break to tell you about my Facebook and my Twitter account. I'll link them down in the description below. Come and check them out. Frying pan back on the stove. A little bit more oil. Crank up the heat to medium. Okay, we're just going to put the patty in the frying pan. Oh, that's nice sizzle right there. Now don't turn it over, just keep it sitting there on one side. You want to get a nice crust underneath it. That's where you get the flavour. So you can see how the meat's cooked about halfway up the patty here. Time to turn it over. Oh, yum. That there, flavour. Okay, while the meat patty's cooking, we're just going to grab some rye bread and butter it. Now turn them in on themselves. Onto the bread, 1000 dressing. And a slice of Swiss cheese. Okay, that patty's done. I'll put this aside for a couple of minutes. Now that we've got a nice clean frying pan here, on a low to medium heat, we're just going to add a little bit more oil to the pan. A little bit more butter. Just going to melt this in. Okay, we're just going to place the bottom piece of the milk into the fry pan. And on our meat patty. Some of that nice beautiful caramelised onion. Another slice of cheese. A little bit more 1000 dressing. Back on some black pepper. And a top slice of bread. And I'll come back when I'm ready to flip her over and we'll have a look. Okay, I've just flicked this over. Oh, that looks really yummy. I'll be back when we're ready to do a taste test. Okay, I've just got this out of the frying pan, so let's see how this looks. Looks yummy here. Oh yeah, that looks really yummy. Looks really good. I think it's time for a taste test. Can't wait. Yum. Well guys, that's the end of the video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Or give it a thumbs down if you're one of those weirdos that don't like Vegemite. Subscribe for more. Say hello down in the comments section. I'll see you next time.